In the next update, the Supreme Court has come down heavily on a Dubai court's order that imposed a travel ban on a young child caught in a custody battle between his parents. The case involved a habeas corpus petition filed by a father, a Ghana citizen living in Dubai, who sought custody of his son. He alleged that his ex-wife, an Indian citizen, took the child to India without informing him and refused to return. The key point of contention was a Dubai court order that placed a travel ban on the child, effectively stopping him from leaving the UAE. But the bench of Justices Suryakant and N. Koteshwar Singh called this move atrocious and a violation of human rights, and also said that it amounts to house arrest. The bench strongly criticized the foreign court, adding that Indian courts cannot blindly follow such orders. To tell you about the facts of this case, the couple married in 2018 in Dubai and had a child in 2019. The mother returned to India in 2021, alleging abuse and coercion by the father. She also claimed that the father used the travel ban to manipulate her, including forcing her to withdraw a divorce case. In response, the father filed for divorce and won custody in Dubai. However, when the mother did not comply with that order, he moved the Karnataka High Court here, seeking custody and alleged illegal confinement of the child. But the High Court of Karnataka refused to issue a habeas corpus writ, saying that the child was safe, living with the mother, and there was already a custody case going on in the family court. The mother argued that the foreign court orders should not override the child's welfare, which is the top priority under Indian law. The top court has now questioned the jurisdiction of the Dubai court in granting divorce and custody, especially since the couple were Christians and not bound by Sharia law. It has also said that the petitioner will be granted visitation rights, but only after assessing his conduct and the child's well-being.